Most people see an abandoned mountain cable car as just a pile of rust and regret. But today, we're changing the landscape. Look at this. Decades of mountain storms, shattered glass, and pure decay. Most would tear it down. We're doing the opposite. First step, total clean out. If we want luxury, we have to start with a blank, grit-free canvas. Every shard of glass has to go. Next, the heavy lifting. We're grinding down years of deep oxidation to find the steel frame underneath. It's messy, but it's necessary. This isn't just sweeping, we're scrubbing away years of mountain debris. You can't build a dream on top of rot. Structural integrity is everything. We're welding in brand new support beams, reinforcing this cabin to handle the cliffside winds. Watch this weld. We're fusing fresh steel onto the original frame. It's hard work, but this cage needs to be rock solid before we add the luxury. See these dents? We're straightening them out by hand. You have to respect the history of the object while you reshape it. Now we're stripping it back and adding modern insulation. It's freezing up here, so we're making sure this place stays warm for the final reveal. We're using hydraulics to lift the frame back into alignment. This thing hasn't been level in 30 years, until today. Time to seal it. We're applying an industrial primer to lock out the rust. We aren't hiding the character, we're protecting it. Window installation is critical. A perfect seal is the only thing standing between this studio and the freezing mountain air. The roof is finally coming together. New panels mean we're finally fully weatherproofed. We're halfway there. We're filing down every weld. Precision is what separates a quick fix from a professional-grade restoration. The final structural tweak, tensioning those main cables. Once this is set, the cabin won't budge, no matter how hard the wind blows.